And the first brick I hold in my left fist, it's my heart, not really, but it represents it. It's my trust, who I am, who I was, and when I hand it over, it'll be to whom I love. Till then, stays most days in a vault. Now the second brick is the first I let fall. It's my personality traits I trade when we wave, like, hi, I'm Will, take this brick, let's build. And the third brick I clench in my right fist, it's my vices, envy, any reason I might flip. A vice grip I hide from this brick's broken skin, it has blood on.
Okay, we're going to be using the sound effector, like you saw in the little short clip right after the intro. So to start off, open up Cinema 4D, preferably R12, as that's what I'm using. It'll be a little bit simpler to go along. And I'm going to make this as noob friendly as possible because I just learned it recently. Okay, first of all, you're going to want to add floor. So go up here to this button and go down to floor. As you have a floor, it takes up one square, well, 4 squares in this grid. Then after you add the floor, you're going to want to add a cube. Now you want to go to the top, click on MoGraph, and click on Cloner. Now go back to the top, go to MoGraph, go to Effector, go to Sound. This is everything you're going to need to do the sound effector. Okay. Whoa. I don't want to grab that. I want to grab the cube. There we go. Now, make the cube a rectangular prism. Preferably kind of tall. It makes it look better. Now that you have that, you're going to drop the cube on top of the cloner. Now you want to click on cloner. Go down to mode. You can do linear if you want. It's not fun to me. You can do grid or you can do radial. They all do basically the same thing. We're going to do radial. As you can see, it is now in a radius. Now you can flip this over to sideways by changing the plane to X, Z, and then increasing the radius. And we're going to increase the count. You can make the cubes really whatever shape you want. Make them a little bit like that. Okay. Now that you have that, you're going to need a .wav file. A .mp3 will not work. It is a compressed music file. It doesn't work. Okay, so now you're going to want to go to sound. Okay, first you're going to go to cloner. Then go to effectors. And if sound isn't always there, just drag it down there. Now, click on sound. And go to the Effector tab. Here you're going to want to select your sound file. I'm going to use mine that I downloaded earlier. Okay, now you have your sound file in there. Change your apply mode to step. And change your strength to 500%. And now, change this from 90 frames to, we'll say, 1000. And now, click this to hear your sound.
And the first brick I hold in my left fist, it's my heart, not really, but it represents it. It's my
sound effector. That's basically what it is. And that's pretty much all you can do with it. You can, however, change the colors of the bricks, cubes, whatever you want to call. To do that, double click in materials, double click on the ball that it creates, and you can change the color. This will not show up until you render, and rendering is a whole nother video on itself, so I am not going to be doing it. You can add some reflection in here, makes it look pretty good. If you like reflection. We're going to take this down here. It looks pretty good. Now to add the color, drag it over here, drop it on the cloner, and there you go. So you see it does not look like that. When you render it, it will look a little bit better. And if you want to make the bars down, you can just move them down by clicking on cloner and dragging this green arrow down. As far as you want. You make them hide until they pop up.
My trust, who I am, who I was.
You can make them really short so they're hard.
And when I hand it over, it'll be to whom I love.
Entirely up to you. When you render this stuff down,
Second brick is the first I let fall. It's my personality traits I trade when we wave like, hi, I'm Will. Take this brick, let's build. And the third brick, I clench my vices. It's my vices, envy, and
that was the sound effector tutorial.